Hey guys, as you've been noticing, I've been having fun with these outdoor videos here. A lot of good times out here. Beautiful views. There's a reason I'm shooting here in Aliso, Viejo today. But first thing I want to bring up, once again, my name is Mike Munzing, Munzing Mortgage Group. Been out here about 28 years, 32 years in real estate. Love bringing these videos to you to let you know what's going on in the real estate market, in the lending market, and things to think about as a realtor and as a buyer to make your experience so much better with your buyers, so much better when you're buying a home. It's just things you need to know. As I mentioned briefly last week, I was on the ballot for the election last Tuesday. I was trailing when I shot the video, and up until Monday, I was behind, but then I jumped up real quick. I'm now in 6th. Hopefully I'll hold there, a few more votes to count, but we're hoping that's gonna work out. Now, the reason I'm shooting this video overlooking the canyons is because of an article that came out this week. Actually, just today, I'm shooting this on Thursday, is the top 12 places, top 12 cities to live in all of Southern California. A recent article said that we're a little pretentious. We're a little snobby down here in South Orange County. Let's take a look why. First of all, we've got coming in at number 12 is Newport Beach. Newport Beach is doing great. We know Newport Beach is wonderful. But then with number 11, we have San Clemente. I work with a lot of you down there. Great town. It's where my office is. It's fantastic. Then coming in at number 8, Mission Viejo. Can you get more beautiful than the lake with the snow on the mountain there? It is just gorgeous. Number 5 is Irvine. We all know Irvine. Great homes there, great communities. One of the very first master planned cities around. It is great. Number 3, coming in at number 3 is my old city, Rancho Santa Margarita. My friend Tony Beals, the mayor out there. It is just beautiful, right up against Saddleback. And coming in at number 1, I am the mayor of Aliso Viejo. Is that exciting or what? I'm down here helping protect the realtors in Aliso Viejo. Sure, my office is down in San Clemente, but a lot of my time is spent here as the mayor protecting my realtor friends and their open house signs so you can sell homes and do good business here in Aliso Viejo. We are number 1. I mean, we're talking all the way up to Ventura County, all the way to San Diego. This website rated us number 1. Now, they give a lot of reasons why, but what I hope you do is use these kinds of articles with your buyers, with your sellers, to promote the markets where you guys work. There are great videos. I've shown you the Aliso Viejo video. I'm going to be putting out a great video that I found for Dana Point. I'm looking for these phenomenal videos that the cities spend a lot of money on in these cities that you work on. Use those videos, link them to your website, link them for your listings, get them to your buyers, get them to your sellers. They are fantastic. But this article is a big winner. You ought to use that. Now, this week, there aren't a bunch of big reports to talk about, so I want to bring up a couple of things for you to remember. When you're working with the buyer, there's quality and there's quantity of everything from income to assets to lots of different things. So recently, I've had a couple of buyers where they're bringing in money. They want to bring money in from areas that we can't use. It's quantities there. I mean, we're talking mattress money. We're talking about people who aren't family who want to give them money, and that's a problem. So you got to remember, we've got all these different things that we need to remember. They have to have quantity, obviously, for the down payment, for closing costs, and for reserves, but you got to remember the quality. It has to be funds that we can use. So sometimes that delays things. If you ever wonder why loans get delayed by your lender a little bit, not in escrow, but when they're setting it up, because we need time to season some of these assets. You need to get them in bank accounts. You need to have them showing for a while. So when the lender wants those 2 months bank statements, you can do that and it's not showing that it's arriving from anywhere. I've had a loan this week where the buyer wanted to bring more money in from somewhere that wasn't traceable, and we've got to go with what we have. It's just a fact of life. Now we've got income. Income's another one you got to be aware of, that if somebody's had a good stable job for a long time and then they take a commission sales job, they think they're going to be doing great, but you can't use a lot of that income. I had a client where their income is stably rising, but you got to be careful because now they want to use a bonus, but they've only been on the job 6 months. You can use base salary, but you can't use the bonus. Really talk with your lenders, with your loan officers. Get to know all the nuances. Not everything. You're selling real estate. You're the realtor. You count on us to do our job and we will do it. Just work with a lender who will clearly explain what's going on and what your buyers have to face. There's lots of little nuances out there. There's a lot of real good ways to get around those nuances when we can. There are times we just have to wait, times we have to reposition, times you have to bring on a brother or a dad or a relative to co-sign, but it's my job, it's your lender's job to find the best way to get the best loan for your client. It's an interesting market. We've got inventory coming in. We've got an increasingly really great market for our buyers. Let's take advantage of that. Let's get them into escrow, get them into homes, but let's make sure they're in an escrow that they're going to be able to close. Don't oversell them. Let's take care of them. It's a good time to be in the industry, and it's a great time to be here working for you. Don't forget about, once again, my online application. It's a great way for your buyers to fill that out, get it to me, and we will get them ready to go quickly, and that makes it very handy. I hope you have a great weekend. It's Father's Day weekend. Be sure and reach out to your dad, reach out to your husbands, reach out to your brothers, whoever's a dad, reach out, give them a little love, tell them that they're special, tell them that you appreciate them. Dad's getting beat up a little bit out there these days, and it's good to give them a little bit of kudos and encouragement. I know they'll appreciate it, and it's good for all of us. All right, I love working with you. Love being here for you. Once again, Mike Munzing, Munzing Mortgage Group. You can reach me anytime at 949-689-5626. Love being here for you. My website, www.mikemunzing.com. Call me, write me, send me a message. I'm here for you. Text me on the weekends. I do work on the weekends, absolutely. And I'm here to put these deals together for you. Well, God bless you. God bless your families. God bless this beautiful country and all the beautiful surroundings we have. And let's enjoy that. Get out there, enjoy the wilderness. Get out there, enjoy the parks. And we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.